Hello, Facebook and YouTube friends and family. I have been missing in action for a few months. I know this has been a hard time for my family. As a lot of you already know, my son became very ill a few months ago and was diagnosed with GPA, which is granulomatosis with polyangiitis. And I really want to raise awareness about this. It's a vascular disease and it's really horrific. But just keep him in your prayers, and I'm going to go ahead and jump into this recipe. I started with a large skillet and about 4 pats of butter and 4 chicken thighs that I cubed up. I added 2 teaspoons of garlic powder to begin with. You'll want to give this a stir. Get that chicken nice and coated. You will need 2 teaspoons of minced garlic. Mix that garlic in with the chicken, and we are cooking this on medium heat. Now my chicken had some moisture in it, so I did put the lid on it and let this cook for probably about 15 to 20 minutes. A little salt and pepper to taste. And once it's brown, just go ahead and add your vegetables. I've got sugar snap pea stir fry from Walmart. This was wonderful. I turned my stovetop eye down to simmer, and I put my vegetables in and stirred them around to get some butter and garlic on them, put a lid on it, and I just let this sit for about 20, maybe 30 minutes, and voila. This was so good, and if I could have pork, bacon grease would be perfect in this. This is such a great keto-friendly meal, and you could serve it over rice if you wanted to, but we just ate it by itself. It was that good.